everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Kebabs are great for starters or snacks because they're very easy to handle and eat. Today I'm going to share a very nice mutton Shami Kabab recipe with you guys. Now traditionally these kebabs are made in a tandoor. Since most of us don't have tandoor ovens at home, I'm just going to cook them on a pan on a stove top. So let's get started and check out all the ingredients that go into making these wonderful kebabs. So first we're going to pressure cook the mutton along with other ingredients. To the pressure cooker, add half kilo of boneless mutton pieces. Next I'm adding the soaked chana dal. I've soaked about half cup of chana dal for over 4 hours. Next add 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Next I'm adding about 8 Kashmiri Red Chillis. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Shahi Jeera, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 2 cardamom, a few peppercorns, about 5 cloves, a small piece of mace. Next add 1 bay leaf that's been cut up. Add a teaspoon of salt. Next add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, about half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Next add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Now that I've added all the ingredients, mix everything well. Next add about 1/4 cup of water. Just give it a quick mix. So you don't want to add too much of water because we need to get all the excess moisture evaporated if there's a lot of water. Close the pressure cooker. Place the whistle and let it pressure cook for about 4 whistles on medium-low flame. After 4 whistles, turn off the stove. Once the pressure is released, open the pressure cooker and turn on the stove. So continue to heat it for a few more minutes till all that moisture is evaporated. We need this mixture pretty dry. Transfer the mixture into another bowl and let it cool completely. While the mixture is cooling down, let's make a quick mint and coriander chutney. To a mixer jar, add a cup of mint leaves, add a cup of coriander leaves, add a teaspoon of finely chopped onion, a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 large green chilli chopped, add half teaspoon of black salt, that is kala namak, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and the juice of half lemon. Grind everything together. If required, add a teaspoon of water and grind it. The mint and coriander chutney is done. Transfer it to a small cup and keep it aside. Now that the mixture is cooled down completely, I'm just removing all the bay leaves. So the next step is to grind the mixture. I'm going to grind this in batches. Add half the quantity of the meat mixture into the mixer jar. Pulse it a few times and grind it to a nice fine paste. So the kebab mixture looks absolutely beautiful. It's very nice and soft. It's ground very well. So once you've ground the mixture, just transfer it to another bowl. Next I'm adding some freshly chopped mint leaves. Add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Add 1 green chilli finely chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and mix everything together. At this point you can check for seasoning, and if you do need to add a little bit of salt, you can add it. Just make sure you mix everything well. So you can see the kebab mixture is more like a doughy consistency. So this is how you want your kebab mixture to be. Next I'm just going to whisk 1 egg and add it into the mixture. Add the beaten egg and mix everything well. This will help in binding of the kebabs. Now that the kebab mixture is done, let's start rolling them into small patties. Grease your palms with a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick. Take a little bit of the meat mixture, place it on your palm and shape it to nice circular patties. Once you've made all the patties, let's start frying them. To a pan, add a little bit of oil. So we're not going to be deep frying the patties. It's just going to be a very mild pan fry. Once the pan is nice and hot, gently place all the patties on the pan. Once it's cooked on one side to a nice golden brown color, gently flip it to the other side. Make sure both the sides have that lovely golden brown color. Once you fry the patties, remove them from the pan and you can serve it nice and hot with a nice spicy mint chutney by the side. These make for a perfect starter or snack. Just make sure you have all the ingredients ready and it's really simple to make it. I recommend you try it and share your comments. I'll give you a couple of other links in the description for the other kebab recipes. Do check them out as well. Now let's look at how the kebab has turned out. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Let me tell you, you can easily enjoy about 2 to 3 with that nice mint chutney. I'm sure everybody is going to love this. So there you go, make these kebabs in a larger quantity and your party snacks are sorted. The best way to serve them is nice and hot with some nice mint and coriander chutney, onion rings and lemon wedges by the side. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description, you can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.